Eternalism for Beginners, Unit 15, Overview Quiz. Welcome to our Unit 15 Overview Quiz, where you will deepen your understanding of the Gospel and the philosophy of eternalism. In this short exercise, there are 4 circle the correct primacy order questions, followed by 6 true or false questions, each with the correct answer, and a brief explanation. In this exercise, circle the correct primacy order, assign Tier 1 status to what comes first, and Tier 2 status to what comes second. Question 1. Which has primacy, existence or consciousness? Answer: existence. Explanation: existence is foundational because consciousness requires something to be conscious of. Without existence, consciousness cannot arise or function. Question 2. Which has primacy, mind or heart? Answer: mind. Explanation: the mind has primacy because rational thought guides and informs emotions. Without the mind's direction, emotions can become aimless or irrational. Question 3. Which has primacy, self or others? Answer: self. Explanation: the self has primacy because each person is an end in themselves. Your life is the standard of value, and prioritizing your own existence and well-being is foundational to any meaningful engagement with others. Question 4. Which has primacy, values or virtues? Answer: values. Explanation: values have primacy because they define what is important or worth pursuing, and virtues are the habits and actions that express and uphold those values. In this exercise, there are 6 true or false questions. Question number 1. Mind mapping helps simplify complex concepts by visually organizing terms, tiers, content, and context. Answer: true. Explanation: mind mapping simplifies complex concepts by visually organizing terms, content, and their relationships within tiers, contexts, making foundational and derivative ideas clear and easy to understand. Question number 2. In 2- and 3-tier thinking, context has primacy over content. Answer: false. Explanation: content drives context, meaning the terms content define and prioritize how context is applied within the tiers. Question number 3. According to this illustration, 2-tier thinking is foundational and self-sufficient, while 3-tier thinking is derivative and depends on the foundation established by 2-tier thinking. Answer: true. Explanation: 2-tier thinking establishes the core principles, tiers 1 and 2, and is self-sufficient. 3-tier thinking builds on this foundation, adding context and nuance, but cannot function independently without the structure provided by 2-tier thinking. Question number 4. According to the illustration stating, if you can't diagram it, you don't understand it, mind mapping is a tool that works best for linear, step-by-step learning approaches. Answer: false. Explanation: mind mapping is dynamic and nonlinear. It allows for visual exploration of relationships, hierarchies, and complex ideas like 2- and 3-tier thinking, making it far more versatile than linear methods. Question number 5. Mind mapping is primarily a tool for organizing and connecting information in a visual, spatial, relational, and hierarchical way. Answer: true. Explanation: mind mapping helps visually organize information, making complex ideas easier to understand by showing relationships, hierarchies, and connections. Question number 6. The interplay of content and context in 2- and 3-tier thinking mirrors the relationship between terms and tiers. Answer: true. Explanation: Content provides the material, terms, and context applies that material within foundational and derivative tiers, reflecting their dynamic interaction. Thank you for participating. Join us for Unit 16 as we explore deeper insights into 2- and 3-tier thinking and their roles in fully understanding the gospel and the philosophy of eternalism. In the meantime, I encourage you to reflect on how foundational ideas, terms, and content shape and guide the structure and application of derivative ideas, tiers, and context in 2- and 3-tier thinking.